Hello students, class 11. Today I am discussing our chapter 7, okay, relational database. So last time I have discussed basic terminology of RDBMS. Now I am showing an example, okay. So you can see database. So our database is school database, okay. So database is our container. This is our container. In a single database, we can create multiple tables. In a single database, school database, we can create multiple tables to maintain all the school information. Suppose in school database, I am creating two tables, student table and marks table. Okay, in school database, we have two tables, student table and marks table. In student table, you can see roll number, name, date of birth, fees. Okay, so you can see this is our column names. Roll number, name, date of birth and fees. But in marks table, we have again roll number, subject and marks. Only 3 columns. But in database technology, we can say student is it is our relation, marks is our relation, roll number, name, date of birth, fees, we can say these are our attributes of student table. Roll number, subject, marks, these are the attribute of marks table. Here column name we cannot say, we can say attributes. Okay, here you can see PK. PK means primary key. Here roll number is our primary key. Okay, so 101, 102, 103, these are the unique values. Okay, here roll number, marks, you can see FK. FK means foreign key, because you can see here 101, 101, 101. So this roll number completely depend on student table roll number. So this foreign key, marks table foreign key roll number is depend on student table roll number primary key. Okay, first admission, first student get admission in this student table, then we can reuse this roll number here. Okay, we cannot use here 104 because here 104 is not available. First you must input data in student table, then student will give the exam, then we can use roll number here. Okay, here you can see new thing is number, because these are our digits, so we can say these are all in the columns is numbers. Here name is text, you can see string, text means string, Raj, Himmat, Akash. Here DOB means date of birth, so date and time, data type will use. Okay, and fees you can see these are our again number, you can see. So we can say roll number, name, date of birth, fees, these are our data types. And 101 Raj and date of birth 4000, 102 Himmat, date of birth 5000, these are our records, these are our records. So 101 Hindi 80, 101 English 75, 101 Maths 95. So 101 means Raj. So Raj give exam in Hindi, Raj have 80 marks in Hindi. Again 101 means Raj. So you can see Raj, 101 means Raj. You can see here. In Raj 101 we can say English have 75 marks. Again 101, so we can say belong to Raj. Maths, Raj have 101 means Raj Maths. So in Maths Raj got 95 marks. Okay, but here 102, 102, 102. So 102 we can say Himmat. So Himmat in Hindi marks will got 79, Himmat got in English 80, and here Maths Himmat got 90. So here we cannot use name. Okay, we can use the code, we can use primary key, we can use in this table, but in the marks table the primary key we can say this is our foreign key. So foreign key completely depend on primary key. Okay, so you can see, so marks table data and student table data you can see. So in this style we can mention any kind of data of any organization. So here we can define everything. Here is school. What is school? It is a database name. Here what is student? Here student means we can say relation. This is table name. Here marks. What is marks? Marks is a relation. This is our table name. Okay. Here student table attributes. So you can say roll number, name, date of birth and fees. So you can see roll number, name, date of birth and fees. Marks table attributes, you can see roll number, subject and marks. So these are our attributes. In our language we can say column names. In our language we can say column names. Okay students. So here I want to first display our table. Okay. Now next thing is degree. Total number of columns. In degree means total number of columns. So student table only 4 columns. Roll number, name, date of birth and fees. So we can say 4. Marks table degree. So you can see roll number, subject and marks. So you can see only 3 columns. So degree always total number of columns. Cardinality means total number of rows. So total number of rows in you can see in student table first, second, third. So you can see 3. Marks table cardinality is 6. So you can see total 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in marks table total we have 6. So row we can say total number of rows, cardinality, total number of columns we can say in degree. Okay. Now next is domain. Domain is set of permitted value. So here minimum roll number is 101. Maximum roll number we can decide 200. So all roll number must be between 101 to 200. So this is a set of permitted value we can use in our roll number column. So we can say this is our domain. Now data types. What is data types? Number, text, date and time, number. So number, text, date and time. So these things we can say this is our data types. Null value. Null value means we can say any unknown or missing information represent in the table in the form of null value. Suppose in a new student 104 Rohit, but date of birth is not available. So we can use NULL null. In future when we have date of birth of 104 Rohit, so we can replace this missing information with actual date of birth. So without information we can fill NULL. So we can say any unknown or missing information represent in table in the form of null value. Primary key. So in our student table this is our main table. Okay. So roll number. So roll number is our primary key. So it is used to identify a record uniquely because 101 refer Raj, 102 refer Himmat, 103 Akash. So uniquely we can find a particular record in a table. It never accept duplicate data in a column. Okay, 103 Rohit we cannot use because 103 already allotted to Akash. So we cannot repeat this roll number because this is our primary key. This is our unique key. So it never accept duplicate data in a column. It is a key field of a table. It never hold null value. So we must use unique value and we cannot left blank. Roll number must input always. For example, primary key of student table is roll number. So roll number have many things. It is primary key, it hold number data, it have domain 101 to 200. Foreign key. So in marks table roll number again you can see, but here in this table this is foreign key because this marks table roll number is completely depend on student table roll number. So we can say it is used in another table. Marks is our another table. Roll number you can see it is depend on primary key. So marks table roll number completely depend on student table roll number. Okay. So it may have duplicate data. So you can see 101 because a student have multiple subjects. So we must use only code, student code. We can say foreign key. So and for example foreign key of marks table is roll number. Okay students. Here you can see 101 Raj, 102 Himmat and 103 Akash. So we can say these are our records. These are our records of student table. So you can see 101 Raj. So we can say the set of multiple rows we can say records. Tuples of marks table records. So we can say so you can see marks table 101, 101, 102, 102, 102. So this type of record we can use 102 Hindi, 102 English, Maths, 102 Hindi, English, Maths. So we can use. So these are our records of marks table. Okay. So you can see. Here you can see records okay students, so you can see today I am discussing about a practical example. In a single database we have multiple tables. So in any organization, suppose railway reservation system, okay, hotel management system, library management system, hospital management system, so all organization must in technically use database. In a database they will hold all the electronic data in a systematic way, and so this kind of we can hold any data and we can reuse this data. Hope you understand this example. Okay students, thank you so much.